Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella and today I'm coming at you with 5 ways Uber and Lyft drivers can increase their income. So if you're a rideshare driver and you want to make a little bit more money every single month, be sure to keep watching and take note of all of these tips. So the first way that you can earn a little bit more money is to track all of your expenses and your mileage. There's a ton of apps out there that will actually do this for you, so you don't have to manually keep a list and write every single thing down all the time. It'll track it all for you, so that saves a lot of time, it saves a lot of effort. And what this does is that when it comes to filing taxes, you can get a bigger tax deduction. There are so many drivers who keep really good track of all their expenses, and in the end they don't even owe very many taxes, if any at all. So this is a great way to save money so you don't owe thousands of dollars in taxes by the end of the year. The second way to make more money as an Uber or Lyft driver is to use this tablet called Play Octopus. What's cool about Play Octopus is that they will send you a tablet for free, and all you have to do to make more money is have it in your car so passengers can use it in the back seat. Definitely check it out. We have a link down below in the description. You can make up to an extra $100 per month. Number 3 is to use referrals. Send your referral codes to everyone and anyone, your neighbor, your dog, your friend, your mom, like literally anyone. If they use that referral code, you guys can both get a little bit of extra money if they sign up to be an Uber, Lyft driver, really anything. Definitely use those referrals. Number 4 is to drive in high density areas, especially during peak times like weekends, nighttime, maybe like early in the morning or when work is getting out. These are great times to be driving because you might hit a surge, especially in a high density area, and you might get a lot of short trips. If it's, let's say you're like just going through downtown, you might catch people getting off of work that need a ride home, or people at the bars, people that were partying, they may need a ride home at nighttime or on the weekends. So definitely be in a high density area where there's a ton of people, because there's more opportunity for better paying rides in those areas. Now, my 5th and final tip for you guys to make more money as an Uber Lyft driver is to take those early morning airport rides. You want to be getting up at like 4 or 5 in the morning to be able to take people to the airport, because that is what pays the most. Here's a quick story time which actually happened like 2 days ago. I was trying to order an Uber to go to the airport. I had actually scheduled one ahead of time, but it never came, so I was frantically trying to order an Uber to get to the airport at 3:30 in the morning. So an Uber didn't come until 4 in the morning, but that Uber ended up being like $100, and since like so many Ubers had already canceled on me before they got a chance to cancel, I messaged them. I was like, hey, I'll give you a really big tip, please don't cancel, like I need to get to the airport. And what's funny is that when I got in the car, he was like, oh, I actually was about to cancel this trip when I saw like how far you were going and that it was going to take me 20 minutes to pick you up anyways, until you messaged me saying to please not cancel. So that guy made an extra big tip from that trip, and it was already a pretty big paying trip for an hour-long drive. I'm gonna guess he probably made about $80 in the hour, and that's pretty good. So you definitely want to take these airport rides, especially when they're early in the morning and people really need a ride and they have nothing else to do. So anyways guys, those were my 5 tips on how you can make more money and increase your income as an Uber or Lyft driver. If you want to check out Play Octopus, once again we have it linked down below in the description. I highly recommend you guys get your tablet if you're like a full-time driver. You really lose nothing by getting this. It doesn't cost money. Let's say passengers don't play on the tablet as much that you pick up, that's totally fine. Like, you're not losing anything, so you should definitely check it out. Link down below in the description. Anyways guys, if you like these tips, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.